Matrix. What is Ansoff Matrix? It is a strategy that our TikTok company used to get more profit and to enhance its sales in the market. First one is market penetration. A market penetration is a way in which a company use existing product and existing market, but it wants to enhance its customers. So for example, in our company, we use home delivery service for existing products launch, and we also provide free discount coupons for next visit on our store, so that customers like our service and they came to our store again and again, and they became loyal to us. Next one is market development. Market development means when company use existing products and it enhances its market, or it launches its product in the new market. Like American dry fruit and strawberry flavored ice cream gets lot of attention and a huge consumer demand because we are domestically increasing our market. So people like are this new American dry fruit ice cream. So in this way, we are increasing our business domestically in New Zealand, but we also have stores in Australia, as well as we export our products in different countries like Japan, India, and we are struggling to open our stores in India as well, because it is a good sort of profit there, because there is a lot of population and we are mainly focusing on cost leadership. So I think people are more eager to buy the product of our company. Next, please. The next one is product development. New product and existing market. It defines that when we use the existing market and when we launch different kind of products. As in our company, we have different variety of products and different flavored ice creams as well. We have bars, wafers, so that people, different kinds of people like our products and they buy it, and overall we get the profit. We provide juice products and people like our juice because it is natural. It is natural and we do not use any artificial flavor in it. Diversification. When we use new product and we launch it in new market, so it is the most riskiest strategy, because we have risk, because when we launch new product we invest a lot of money, and when we launch our product in a new market we don't understand what the people like and how it will give profit to us. So we launch sugar-free ice creams that can be enjoyed by diabetic patients. As we know, in New Zealand the number of diabetic patients is increasing day by day because of involvement of large amount of sugar in every ingredient. So we try to introduce sugar-free ice cream so that we can expand our business and we can expand our customer segments. Next, please. Next one is Porter's generic strategy. This is the basic strategy that most of the companies prefer. It has three parts: cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. What is cost leadership? A cost leadership is a way in which company uses less price, but it tries to convince more and more people so that we can get we can enhance our sales and get more profit through it. But a company, if want to get cost leadership, they should have increase the volume of sales and they should decrease their cost in manufacturing, in distributing, and in marketing, in promotion, in everywhere. So our company is focusing on cost leadership because we are providing the lower cost as compared to our competitors. Next one is cost focus. To seek lower cost advantage by focusing on specific products in the niche market. It defines that we are providing, a company provide lower cost but to a limited segment of customers. Like it is mainly for the small businesses like stores, they only focuses on limited number of customers. From this picture, we define that what kind of varieties we are providing to the customers. Like we have big scoops, small scoops, and abundance of products that everyone can enjoy. And next one, differentiation leadership. Differentiation, it means when a company provide a quality product to their customers, it do not when the price of any product is higher, but it mainly focuses on the quality. How we can get the differentiation leadership? By giving a new and innovative product to the customers, and by industry-wide supply and distribute across major channels. Another thing is differentiation focus. Differentiation focus means when we are limited to the specific segment of customers, but we are providing quality to them. We do not want that people do not like our product, because when we provide quality, people don't want to sacrifice on that thing. So in this video, I will show that how people react towards our company.
Work each day having fun. We want to bring a laugh or a smile to people's faces. Is that what we're going to do? Yeah, let's do us right now on the hits.
Probably ubiquity and time, and like it's been there for as long as I can remember, and good products. Everybody knows it, everybody loves it. But who doesn't like ice cream? Unless it comes up with a health nut. It's always been there. It's for us. And we can't know that we make great ice cream. You know, we're a dairy country, and when you try ice cream in any other country, it's just not the same. Italy, gelato, doesn't work. Even sort of Baskin Robbins in the States, it's just not as good. And so we own it. It kind of belongs here. Everyone loves it. It'll backfire on whoever buys it. Because there's a sense of ownership that we have. It's ours. And there are examples of other local brands that have been taken. I mean, Cadbury's took a real hit, recently. And when the big multinationals take over our brands, there's a kind of it doesn't happen overnight, but there's a gradual drifting away. And we've seen it in lots of different cases. And I guess whoever buys it needs to be very careful what to do with it. Don't let the accountants get in charge of it and take the cream out of the ice cream.
So this video showed that how people react towards the TikTok, because it's very old company. So the old people know what the company provide to them. So in this way, our company is providing the best to the New Zealanders. Thank you. If anyone have any questions, please ask.
Okay. You said that they use a cost leadership strategy.
Yeah.
But I have also seen from what you have presented that they try to differentiate themselves from other ice cream providers. So which of these two strategies do you think is the main strategy of the company?
The main strategy of our company is cost leadership, because we provide lower price to our customers as compared to other competitors. But we also try to provide quality to our customers as well. But our main focus is on cost leadership.
All right. Let's clap for her.